It's so nice to be on the beach enjoying the warm air and the sun. Now all I need is a lei. Oh, there's a tree right here. What's this? Oh, look at that. We are gonna make a recipe using teriyaki Spam. Can't wait to try that. That's a first for my life. Also, we're gonna use a cup of mango. We're gonna cube up. And then another vegetable called pineapple. Or I'm sorry, a fruit called pineapple. And then we're gonna use this balsamic glaze at the very end. And then we're gonna use the following spices. Ground cumin. We're gonna use smoked paprika. And then we're also gonna use garlic powder. It also says to put a little salt in there. We'll see about that. So first, we're gonna cube up our mango. Make sure to make it smaller than what this is. Time to open up our pineapple. We'll cube our pineapple. What if this will sound any different coming out of our cans? Oh, that sounded very familiar. Ooh, look at that. It tears off just like all the other ones. Ooh, and it even has a smell right after you open the can. Ooh, look at how quickly that came out. Didn't even have to work at it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cube up our Spam. Preheat our pan on medium heat. Pour a little bit of our olive oil on our pan. Let that heat up a second. And then we'll put our Spam on. Oops, dropped a little bit there. Oh, listen to that. Time to add our spices. A half of a teaspoon of ground cumin. Sprinkle it all around there. A half of teaspoon of garlic powder. Oh, the flavors are wonderful. And then the last thing we need to add is our smoked paprika, which we need another half teaspoon. So it's really easy to remember this. Everything's a half, except for the whole can of Spam, that is. Mix this around. Ooh, smells good. Go ahead and put your pineapple in. Ooh, look at that. And then put your mango in, and we're gonna mix this all around. Oh, and I forgot to mention, you need to make some rice too, so the rice is done. So next we grab a bowl. We grab some rice that we cooked, put some in there. Put your Hawaiian tropical treat on top of the rice. As you can see, isn't this beautiful? Ah, it smells so tropical. Now, one last step, follow me. We have this, which is called glaze with balsamic vinegar. So we'll see, we just sprinkle a little tiny bit of that to make it beautiful. There we go, that's enough. Look at how pretty that is. So let's try our tropical Spam treat. I think this is gonna be really good because it smells awesome. But first I need a little drink of my Hawaiian punch, my tropical drink. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've tried that. Okay, here we go. Drum roll, please. Interesting. I think you need to take 2 bites to get the honest taste test. There it is. That's a beauty. Subscribe to join the Spamily. Yeah.